Let's start with a new scene. I'll hit Z to square up. First of all, we need to create a geometry in the standard primitives, and we want a simple box. This is going to be the object that we apply our background texture to once we've extruded our text pattern on one of its faces. So I'll draw it in the top view. I'm going to set it back just a bit from the horizontal axis. Right on the axis is where our text spline is going to get added by default. So let's just place the box where it isn't going to be in the way. Doesn't matter how big for starters, we'll just get it into the scene. And then set the sizes to approximately the size it would appear on a normal display. So I'm thinking I want to cover about 8 inches horizontally, and 2 lines of text means maybe 4 inches of screen vertically. We can trim off the extra in Photoshop, so if we make it a bit big, it's not a big deal. And length is actually thickness here, so 0.1 should be more than thick enough. Notice the segment settings here are all 1s at the moment. We're going to crank the width and height segments right up to 200 later, but the computer just crawls with that many polygons, so we'll hold off on that for a bit. We've still got the box selected, so we can right-click in the perspective view and Z for Zoom Extents All. Now I'm going to set the color to here to something a little less random. How about blue? Right again in perspective view and wheel out. Alt middle around, then home and Z once more. Now we need some text.